Alright folks, well, we got the Boondock kitchen opened up. We're doing some burgers. Got one over here already. Got one cooking. We got a little bit more over there. I may make a small one, and I'm going to save some burger to throw in Butchie's food too, so he can chow down as well. Oh yeah. Well, alright folks, so the burgers are done. And we got some Duke's mayo, we got mustard, we got ketchup, and we got some sweet relish on these bad boys. And we got some onion rolls. Love the onion rolls. The only thing is I was going to toast the onion rolls, but I shut it down and everything and forgot to toast them. So we're going to chow them like that. Got a little on the side for Butchie, and we're going to chow down. Later, folk. Well, folk, I got the little squirrel guy I usually feed right here. But since I've been back, it looks like he's hurting pretty bad. I'm trying to get a... Oh, he ran. Come here, buddy. Here you go. Come here. Yeah, looks like he's hurt pretty bad. Come on, bud. I'm trying to zoom in. Maybe you guys can look right at his mouth there, folk. It's looking like he's hurt pretty bad. I don't know what happened to him. Man, what happened to you, big guy? Wow. I don't even know if he can eat, folk. Man, I'm sorry to see that, buddy. Well, folk, I do believe that's one of the squirrels that I used to feed that was right there across from me where the green fencing is. That's where Eddie's house used to be, and we had that big tree in the background. And that's where the hawk always landed. You had generations and generations of squirrels there, and this evil lady at St. Vincent's over here had it all torn down to put up some big building, which at some point I will get in with you. I'll discuss with you guys to put a big place here. And I think he's one of the squirrels, and it doesn't look like he's doing too good since he lost his home, unfortunately. I think a lot of squirrels that survived the massacre over here probably went across the street into the graveyard area, and they have to defend themselves against the squirrels that are already there. Hey, nature does what it does. So anyways, but he doesn't look very good. I don't even know if he can eat. I'm throwing stuff down there that they normally would eat, granola, everything, and he's passing it up. So I don't know if he can eat with that mouth looked bad. So unfortunate. All right, folks. Well, this is my dear good friend Kelly.
Shut up.
She made an awesome bet. Awesome bet.
I'm stupid.
If Trump won, she had to wear my Trump hat for a whole day.
I'm not happy.
There you go. Looking good, Kelly. Looking good.
Oh my God, I'm not looking good. I'm not looking good.
Well, all right, folks. So me and the Butchie boy over here, he's inside there. We had to step off at Walmart, and we needed a few things. Needed more ice for the cooler. He needed food. He was totally out of the food. I got him his last of his food last night, and of course I got a Monster and a couple of ramens and another big thing of water. So anyways, I got another thing to show you real quick. Obviously, sometimes when you use your cooler, the ice melts. Now you have cold water, and if you have sandwich meat in there, that can really suck. So I have this thing, and it's from Walmart, and it's supposed to be the waterproof box. You get them in the camping aisle. So I figured, okay, well, I've got some roast beef, some ham, and some bologna in there. So I figured I'd put them in it and see how it worked, see how waterproof it was. We'll check it out. Well, all right, folks, that worked out freaking awesome. There's not a drop of water on any of my sandwich meats. So that's a really good thing, because it really sucks when you got to throw your sandwich meat. It gets wet, soggy, nasty, because your ice melted. But this works great. They're in the camping aisle of Walmart, waterproof boxes. Very cool.
No, I wanna live and living on the road with my people. rolling Butch, living wild, living free.
So, all right, folk. Well, Butchie enjoys jumping up into Tito's truck bed here. However, he needs to learn to freaking jump. The guy's down here, he jumps. When he jumps, he bangs his head under the bottom. I'm like, are you serious, Butch?
Dodo bears.
So he likes being up there, but he's a bonehead. So, all right, folk. Well, somebody coming into the town and everything. They just saw a transaction, I think a crack transaction. And somebody's getting busted. They're going to have a bad day here in Middletown. So trying to buy crack and doing what they do. And then they go back in this area and then they smoke it. They got snagged. All right. All right, folk. Well, Boondock cooking today. It is a like a barbecue pork, the Oriental style, Chinese style barbecue pork on skewers, and I'll show you the package. Yeah, this is the package that it came in. So I cooked these up, and I will say they are not horrible, but definitely going to a Chinese restaurant and getting them is way better. These just aren't quite all that. Do taste a bit vinegary to me, but nonetheless, they are pretty good. So, all right, folk. Well, here it is, the finished product. We got the pork ribs, some mac and cheese, and it's time to chow down. So, catch you guys on the next Boondock cooking. So, all right, folk. One of the Butch's fans was just here and gave him a little salami, and now she's going to get him some turkey. So he's all happy, and he's waiting for her to come back. But anyway, so while he waits for his turkey and gets spoiled, I figure this is a good time to call this a video. So I hope you enjoyed it, man. We had some arrests in there. We had some cool freedom time with Butchie, some shopping time, some cooking time. So anyways, van life, baby. So until next time, don't forget, always forward to the next adventure. The vlog is down. Look at this guy still waiting.